My name is Landon Chandler. I work for U of I Extension and I cover Randolph and Perry County, and this is our chicken and broccoli bake. In an 8x8 inch microwave safe dish, add 16 ounces of frozen chopped broccoli, thawed, 1 cup of finely chopped onions, and 1 clove of fresh minced garlic. Cover with wax paper and microwave on high until the vegetables are crisp and tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Arrange 1 cup of cooked, bite-sized pieces of chicken breast and 1 can of sliced water chestnuts evenly on top of the vegetable mixture. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Cover with wax paper and microwave on high for 3 minutes. In a small mixing bowl, stir together a 1/2 cup of fat-free sour cream and 2 tablespoons of non-fat milk. Pour evenly over the chicken and water chestnuts. Sprinkle with 1 cup of shredded low-fat mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a 3/4 teaspoon of paprika. Cover with wax paper again and microwave on medium to high until the cheeses are melted, about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, this is our chicken and broccoli bake, a quick and easy recipe for the whole family. Hope you enjoy.
Eat, Move, Save.